Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix the content warning for sensitive or adult content on X. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that this setting is much easier to change from the X website rather than the mobile app. So go ahead and open your browser. This can be on your phone or your computer. In the search bar, go to x.com. Then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click on More. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Privacy and Safety, and then go to Content you see. Here you'll find an option called Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Make sure to turn this option on. Once enabled, X will no longer hide sensitive or adult content behind a warning. You'll be able to view it normally. The change is saved automatically, but you can refresh the page just to make sure everything is applied correctly. Also, this setting will sync to your mobile app, so you don't need to repeat the process there. And that's it. That's how you fix the sensitive content warning on X. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.